Man. Rain know exactly who French is. There you go. That's it. I want y'all to screenshot all this. Ask him about all this shit. Ask him. Tell him to say he lying. I release this shit on Discord. Can't do it over here. I'm trying to go through rules. Then it says, my partner French texted me and said, fam, Yella told his son, I thought Sko was a street nigga. His son is the rapper Lil Tay. My nigga, you want. So you was going at me? I'm confused. This dude was in a mental relationship with me. Let's just call it what it is, Ratchet Gang. I had a stalker. These dudes be obsessed with me. Fam, this dude, what the fuck? I thought you was a street dude. What is going on with you, fam? You acting like Diddy. Fam, what is going on? They said, what's up? What's good? Because I'm wondering, like, what you get like this? Nigga, what the fuck going on now? I'm sick of all this pussy ass YouTube shit. That bro's all good. What's all good? What's up? So what gonna keep that same energy with Calvin?